If you have studied physics, you know that nature of time is so complex. In today's lecture, I want to discuss about whether the moment now exists or not. We often say, now this is the time for this, now this is the time for that, now I am doing this, now I am doing that, like that. Every now and then we use the term now. Question is whether now exists or not. Now is a moment. Am I right? Whenever we say now, that means it represents a moment. We are talking about a moment of time. Say, I can see my palm, but am I seeing my palm right now at the present moment? No. Whatever I can see, it is old. Light reflects from my palm, it reaches to my eyes, then only I can see this. That means it is old by some nanoseconds. Whenever we observe stars in the sky, that is also old, that is also past. We cannot say that now it is in that condition. Now it is in that condition. We cannot say. You know that some stars are billions of light years away. The nearest star, Proxima Centauri, it is almost 4.2 years light years away. So whatever we see, if we focus on Proxima Centauri, then whatever we are observing sitting on Earth, that is 4.2 years old. Again, if you think about Einstein's special theory of relativity, Einstein's general theory of relativity, there also you will find that time is nature of time is so complex. Due to relative motion between two bodies, there is a difference of time. In case of massive bodies, there is a change in time. Time is relative, means I want to say that time is relative and that is known to you. So, the aim of this discussion was to ask you a question whether now has any meaning or not. Whenever we are taking smell of something, say a flower, that is also old. Whenever we are tasting something by our tongue, that is also old, because from tongue to the brain, information reaches of the taste, about the taste, okay? Then only you can know, okay, this is sweet or this is sour or this is bitter. So it takes some time for the information to reach from tongue to the brain. Whenever we are touching something, that sensation of touch, that also reaches to our brain, then only we can know, yes, I have touched something, or something or someone has touched me. So in between these two events, there is some time gap. So whenever we say now, that is actually not now, that is past. Some past is old, of the order of by about nanoseconds. and some events are old uh, by millions or billions of years. Okay, it is an open question, and the nature of time is so complex. It is still a topic of research in the scientific community. Few scientists are there who are saying that time does not exist. You can search Google or you can search YouTube to get such videos or information. Time does not exist. Again, there is a concept of parallel times, parallel timelines. If you study quantum mechanics or quantum physics, then you will find that the concept of parallel timelines. So time is not a simple concept. If you do not think too much about time, then concept of time is so simple. You just look at your wristwatch or any watch and you will find that it's so easy. I have a complete idea about time. If you do not think so much about time, but if you think deeply about time, then really the nature of time is so complex. And that's why at present many scientists are focusing their research on this topic. So here aim of this lecture was not about whether time exists or not. Here the topic was whether the moment now exists or not. Okay, so this was all about this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.